Hi guys, sorry, my hair is messed up. Today I am going to show you how to put together a clarinet and play Mary Had a Little Lamb on the clarinet. So, this is my clarinet. You're gonna play that when you're going to the fire. No, I'm not. Wow, this one. So, this is it. Well, I probably won't be able to show you how to play it, but I'll show you how to put it together. I don't have the reed right now, so this is the reed, and this is the barrel. The barrel always goes on like this. And then sometimes if you put your reed up here, you can like go like this, and then you blow. So I don't have a reed, so it won't make any sound. Next comes this. It's the one with the teardrop. And this part right here would go in the back with a hole, like this. And this, it has a thumb rest. So with without this, it would hang on. Without the thumb rest cushion, it would just be a little, if I can find it, this metal thing. And we can put it back on. Okay, so the cork right here would go to the end of this. And how you know that they are lined up, that is this thing right here, and they always have to be together. And last but not least, the bell goes on bottom. And that is how you build a clarinet. And yes, this is my personal clarinet. So as you can tell, it looks so cool. Yeah. And you can clean it with this, but you always stick it at the end. It has to go all the way through. As you can tell, you always clean it at least 2 or 3 times. And I know this is boring, but it's how you take care of a clarinet, bro. So, this always has one of these to keep it protected, as you can tell. So, I am going to take it apart, and I'll upload a video later to show y'all how to play Mary Had a Little Lamb. Oh wait, okay, how you put the fingers on is left hand goes on top and right hand goes on bottom. The thumb rest, you always put your thumb on like this. And fingers always go on the holes. Like that, okay? So, I don't know all the notes yet, but once I do, I'll tell you. And, hope you have a great day. And I know I talk a lot. I'm sorry. I love you all. Okay, goodbye.